In this lesson, we will learn about configuring passive interface and default route to optimize OSPF traffic. As you know, to allow OSPF to learn about the network, we must enable OSPF on all the interfaces, including the interfaces connected to the local networks. For example, the interface E20 on IT Life Skills Router 1 and the interface E20 on IT Life Skills Router 3 and the interface F00 on IT Life Skills Router 4. It means that the OSPF processes on these routers will send hello packets out of those interfaces, causing unnecessary traffic. To avoid that, we can configure these interfaces as passive interfaces. Let's now configure the interface E20 on IT Life Skills Router 1 as passive interface using these two commands. First of all, let's verify OSPF still send hello message out of the interface E20 by using the command debug IP OSPF hello, then hit enter. As you can see, OSPF hello debugging is on, and as you know, OSPF send hello packets every 10 seconds. As you can see, it sent the hello message out of the interface E20. Let's turn off the debugging so that we can configure. And now let's go to the configuration mode and issue the command router OSPF1, then issue the command passive dash interface E20 to turn off the hello message on the interface E20. And now we X out this, and that's it. We will use these two commands to verify passive interface configuration. Let's issue the first command, show IP OSPF interface E20, then hit enter. As you can see, it says that no hellos on the interface E20 because it is a passive interface. Now let's issue the second command, debug IP OSPF hello, then hit enter. As you can see, OSPF hello debugging is on, and it will start sending the hello message every 10 seconds. And we only see that it's sent from the interface E21. We also notice in this network diagram, IT Life Skills Router 2 is connected to the internet, and the ISP router's IP address is 192.168.221.2. To route the traffic to the internet, we need to configure a static default route on router 2 to point to the IP address of the ISP router, and here is the command. Now, to allow other subnets to access the internet, we can configure a default route on each router to point to the IP address on router 2 like this. However, with OSPF, we can achieve the same goal by using the router subcommand default information originate. This command advertises an OSPF external type 2 default route to other neighbor routers. We will use these two commands to verify the routing table and the connectivity to the internet. Let's do it on IT Life Skills Router 2 by using the command show IP route. As you can see on the routing table of IT Life Skills Router 2, there is a static route that points to the IP address of the ISP, and therefore it has the gateway of last resort. Now let's verify the connectivity from router 2 to the internet by using the command ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter, and it is success. Now let's repeat the same commands on IT Life Skills Router 1, and you see the first command show IP route. In IT Life Skills Router 1, we don't see the gateway of last resource and there's no static default route. Now let's ping the internet, ping 8.8.8.8, then hit enter. And it is not successful, so it means from router 2 to the internet, there's no connectivity. Now let's configure IT Life Skills Router 2 to advertise an OSPF external type 2 default route to other neighbor routers with these two commands. First of all, let's go to the configuration mode and then issue the command router OSPF1 and then issue the command default dash information originate, then hit enter. Now exit out of this and go to router 1 to verify the routing table, show IP route. As you can see from the routing table of IT Life Skills Router 1, we see an OSPF external type 2 default route, and the gateway of the last resource is the IP address of router 2. Now let's verify the connectivity from router 1 to the internet, ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. As you can see, it is successful.